अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
13th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Imam Ahmad bin Shu'aib an-Nasa'i rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Imam Abu Abdul Rahman Ahmad bin Shu'aib an-Nasa'i rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi was born in 215 Hijri in Nasa, a famous city of Khurasan, Iran. The names of grand scholars, namely Imam Abu Dawud and Imam Bukhari rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhima, the pillars of the knowledge of hadith, are prominent amongst his teachers. He had an unparalleled leading personality in regard of the knowledge of hadith. There was none equal to his status. He was a strong supporter of ahadith and was involved in it his entire life. He made several journeys in pursuit of ahadith and for narrating them. He wrote numerous books in spite of his involvement in other religious activities. Sunanun Nasa'i is his glorious book, which is amongst the Sihah Sitta, that is, the 6 authentic books of ahadith, which has been a unique work in the Muslim world ever seen. Hazrat Imam Abu Abdul Rahman Ahmad bin Shu'aib an-Nasa'i rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi was martyred at the age of 88 on Monday, 13th Safar al-Muzaffar in 303 Hijri. He was buried in the midpoint of Safa and Marwa. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।